let's not forget. Got the hideaway hitch in case we gotta go hot-shotting, baby.
Oh yeah, I forgot, man. This dude pulls the jet ski.
So we gotta go hot-shotting, baby. If my truck breaks down,
There you go.
Faithful, baby.
Faithful. She ain't gonna break either. Alright, look who we found here. Look who we found here, huh?
What up?
Look, man, I wanna name you Rookie of the Year, but if I do that, a bunch of my followers are gonna get mad, you know, because they think they might be Rookie of the Year or something.
I know, man. But listen,
Damn, bro, yo, this thing's bad, bro. Damn.
it's a work truck, man.
Hope I'm not invading your privacy here.
No, sir. I got 11 mile sensor, so somebody's gotta go.
God damn, bro. Yo, this thing looks crazy, huh? Are these 22 and a half? Damn, that's a swagger truck. All right, guys, here's how you do it, big pimpin' style. Got the triple axle. All right, so talk to us, bro. How you liking the hot shot life?
It's fun, man. It's good money.
Is the red interior in the back too?
Of course.
Alright, man, you know what I'm saying? I gotta at least stop in here real quick, you know. Yo, is this factory?
No, I got it done.
I was about to say, it doesn't.
Just at the back, we got some bags on it.
Alright, so
Some lifter bags.
this thing is swag, bro. I like it. It is all ready.
A work truck, man. A nice one.
Yeah, man,
Got
I
the
like it,
new,
bro.
Gen 4 Plus Tesla screen.
Oh shit, yeah, right. What year is this?
17.
17. Yo, what model is that trailer?
This is a Freedom trailer, 34-foot enclosed.
34 enclosed Freedom. How much you pay for that?
18,000.
18.
Cash money, man.
I mean, it's a steep purchase when you're just starting, you know. If you think,
it's definitely steep, especially starting. But if you know, I have my my other enclosed trailer that I sold. So I sold that one and was able to fund the new purchase.
Guys, this guy's an entrepreneur. He does it all, and you know, to make it out there, you gotta hustle, man. You gotta be a hustler.
We got the corn truck. We got the freaking t-shirt business. We got the snow plowing business. You know, we haul and we plow with this truck, man. It's all.
And how many employees you got?
One.
Damn, man. Yo, for real, like.
Occasionally I hire some help when I really can't.
This dude is legit, man. There's not many people out there that do it like that, man. That's hard, bro. Like doing it all.
We thug it, man. We thug it. We do what we gotta do, man. Actually, let's back up and before we run out of gas idling, right?
Well,
since you want to
pull into one of the bays. Are you filling up here or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, just pull up to one of the bays.
I got the fuel card and shit. Baby, we
guys, he has like a corn business, roasted corn that he sells at those fairs. He got the plow business. He got the t-shirt business. Doesn't your wife also do something?
She does cakes.
She does the cakes, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, she sells the cakes. She has the Instagram, the cake Instagram. Yes. And how old are you, bro?
33 years old, man.
33. You got what? 2 or 3?
I got 3 kids.
You got 3 kids. You know what I'm saying? He's doing his thing, man. I respect that, man. That's why I call you Rookie of the Year, man. Because you came in with a lot on your plate already, but you're still doing it big, you know. I like this truck though. This thing is looking fire. So 34 feet, and right now he's riding empty. He said he's going to Florida to pick up 2 vehicles. He's going down to Florida, pick up 2 vehicles. Now, I know you guys everybody's gonna ask and all this other stuff. Yes, he has his DOT numbers. He has his MC number. It's not on the door. Everybody does their own thing. I don't give a, I don't care what you do, man, but this dude is legit. He does have his numbers. I know everyone's gonna comment down there, where's his number?
Like you guys say, we chopping, baby.
Chapas. I mean, it is Sunday. You are on 95. Right, we're at Kinley right now, guys. This is Kinley, you know, North Carolina.
We got numbers, we just don't run numbers, man.
Yeah. Chopping it up a little bit. Road chopping.
Express to Jacksonville, baby. Non-stop.
Oh, and he's representing right there.
Oh.
Nah. If you know,
baby.
you know.
Shout out to AMS, man.
Yeah. He got a gangsta Porsche. What year is that?
2014 GT3.
Yeah. That thing is sexy, bro. Beautiful. You know what I'm saying? It's sexy enough to make others jealous. Yeah. Well, you're picking up what, 2 vehicles in Florida, you son?
Yeah, I'm going right outside St. Augustine, pick up a Porsche, and then I'm going to Atlanta to pick up Mercedes.
All right. Cool. What are those paying?
We got $2,000 on one and $1,800 on another. So.
2-car trailer, 3,800. Hey, I hung up with my boy early today on
Let's do 3,800. Let's say 3,800. We're gonna say 1,000 miles, but it's less than 1,000, so we're gonna go like this.
All right.
We're gonna do 3,800.
Yeah.
Divided by, let's say 1,000. We know it's not 1,000
right,
miles, but that's 3.8.
3.8 on the 2-car trailer. Not bad. Hey, I'm gonna keep it real. Nah, I'm one of my boys he has a gangsta Peterbilt, like $100,000 Peterbilt, flatbed. He told me he was only getting like 3 and change a mile coming out of Florida. So, hey, not bad at all.
What, 13 miles to the gallon loaded.
Ooh, 13, bro. Damn.
Not deleted.
That makes me jealous.
Still running death.
Yeah, okay. Bro, I get like 5. I think like 5.5 from my new truck.
I'm also only running maybe 10, 12,000 pounds.
Yeah.
Maybe 15 with the trailer and all that. So
yeah.
That's on the high end. So and this truck is fucking. Remember what's cool? 32,000.
My F450, my 99. That thing it's like 8 miles a gallon, no matter what, loaded and unloaded.
No trailer or nothing. I see like 16 to 19 miles to the gallon.
Damn. Bro, that's like a SUV.
700, 750 to a tank.
I remember I had an SUV back in the day, and I used to get like, I think like 15, 16. Just the SUV, like nothing behind it.
Capable of pulling 32,000 pounds.
That's gangsta, bro. All right, let me see the front of this truck, cause I do like this truck, man. I don't know why. I think Fords do look good.
I think Ford has the nicest truck. And if you go back and forth about what's the better truck.
Yeah. What's better is a whole other argument, but
what's nicer? Ford all day.
Yeah. I always had Ford. I started with a 350, then I went up to the 450, which is this right here, guys.
My other truck is a 250 and I love it.
XLT. So this is the
loaded to the gills, though.
loaded. How much you pay on this one?
I stole this truck.
You stole it? My boy's crying over here. Come on, man.
Pray for me.
Come on, man. My Phillips are like $1,000. Yo, how much you pay for the interior? $1,350. $1,350? That's not bad, dude. For a whole interior. No doors, right? Just the seats. Yeah, that's not bad. All right. Well, guys, go follow my man's right here. Turtle Transportation or Turtles Transport. There it is. On Instagram. Like I said, he just started recently, but my man's always had some big plans. Yo, you still got that single car aluminum?
Yes, sir. And that single car still making money to this day, man.
Yeah, yo, he got the single car aluminum. He got that 2-car right there popping.
Upgraded, and now we're here with a 2-car and a dude.
Hey, don't drive too fast. When I follow you, throw the chains and pull me a little bit, all right? You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, yo, he got the nasty train horn. Where is it?
It's in the back.
Oh, in the back? Oh yeah. All right. This dude got the gangsta train horn. Where is it?
We got the Ryko horn.
All right. God damn. Woo. Man, that just made me half deaf. I'm not gonna. Wow. All right. Wake up. You're swerving. Wake up. All right, guys, we're gonna hit the road. Man, like, share, and subscribe this. You guys are bums. You guys keep forgetting to share this, all right? Tell them.
Follow the man, like the man, subscribe to the man, bro. Stop viewing, start doing, bro. A lot of you
Stop
guys
hating.
Like to watch. A lot of you guys like to watch, but then you guys like to follow and support, man.
There you go. Support the little guys. Yo, I went to one of the fairs, right?
Pulled up, brought him corn to the gate, bro, because you couldn't pull up with his truck. So he
That's
came
right,
to the
yo.
gate. I threw some corn over the gate.
Yo, he literally threw the corn over the gate. I'm like, alright, swagger, let's go.
Well, see you.
Alright, dude. Dang, look at this beast. Woo! Yo, why are you following me, bro? Damn. Flexing. You guys know what it is? Damn, this thing looks crazier in person than on the pics, man. Cause you know we are Porsche guys, you know. Hey, a true car fanatic will always be a Porsche guy. All right, let me show you guys a little bit. Let me show you guys this sexy thing here. Look at this.
Daily driven, baby.
Daily driver right here. And what you got for me right there, bro? Ah, look at it. Look at this, guys.
My boy wanna watch.
Look at this, brand new. All right. Man.
What up, boy?
This guy's
It's
legit.
a little colder. We got clothes on this
I
time.
know, right? Look at this. Yo, and real quick, right? So he went to Florida with me. You guys saw that. Followed me around. You know what I'm saying?
That was that.
Made his money. Was that Sunday?
Yeah, Sunday.
Sunday, right?
Sunday. Sunday afternoon we met up.
Yeah.
And I got back Tuesday night. And it's Friday now.
He got back Tuesday night. Today's Friday, and I'm getting back.
Still not home.
Still not home.
I'm home.
So that's the difference between hotshot sometimes and big trucks. People don't. You know, it's the little things, right? It's that, you know,
I
like,
would have went down to Florida and back
again,
and still beat you back.
Yo, you know when like engineers they write something on paper, but then in real life it doesn't work out. Yeah, that's literally different here, bro.
You make a plan and it just throw it out the window.
Well, no, on paper it looks good. Like, oh yeah, your truck, my truck, we drive.
More money, big truck. You get back, you get all these great loads, and then out of nowhere,
It's slower.
it just falls apart.
Well,
It falls apart.
You can't do 70. The speed limit is 70. I can't do 70 because the truck, you know.
70. You had to make a few stops.
Yeah.
You had a load fall apart on you.
That's how it is, guys. But listen, man, I'm jealous. This is the positive jelliness, all right? Real hustlers will always respect other real hustlers right there. Much respect, bro, for real, man. I love this thing. This is awesome.
And let's not forget. We got the hideaway hitch in case we gotta go hot shotting, baby.
Oh yeah, I forgot, man. This dude pulls the jet ski.
So we gotta go hot shotting, baby. If my truck breaks down,
There you go.
faithful, baby.
Faithful. She ain't gonna break either.